Okay guys, today we are by Shopra. We're gonna try to steal the cheapest bread. Know what I'm saying? Trying to steal it. But if you can't steal it, we're gonna pay for it. Guys, we're looking for the bread now, man. Where's the bread? Where's the bread? Here on that side. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, give me a like and subscribe op my video. Kom sterk vir support. Kyk hier, ons loop verby nog. Daar loop ons nog verby nog. Guys, as you can see, this one is a little bit expensive, and you see, so we're looking for the cheapest one. And where's that one? Let's check on that side. There's nothing there. So I think we'll not go, yeah, man. Oh, what? It will need the bread, you said. Come on, go look on that side. Come on, go look on that side. Nah, yo. Come on, come on. You know, Mike, you know. Guys, die mense dink seker, wat the fuck doen Doutsie om video te vat hier nie klik. Ek kan dan moue fucking YouTube, wat verstaan nie, man. So man, kyk nie net vir die cheap goede, man, sien jy wat ek kan intrek nie. Hy is too fat, man. He's in guys, we're just looking for the cheapest bread, man, you can get. So wanneer jy like and subscribe, share the video to your friends and family. Spannend. Guys, the people say the stuff, yo, it's illegal to sell. Pinalan, huh? Tangis mo ng fat? Nga? Tangis mo ng fat, buti. Nah, man, di camera mo yung bagi, anur. Kaya ako. Sien julle guys, ek kry nie wat ek gekom het hier so. We're gonna check it at a supermarket, know what I'm saying? So we're gonna just check. If there's nothing in front, we're gonna go out of the shop, know what I'm saying? So pause this shit. Guys, if you have any children, like and subscribe. We can buy any of the stores for your children, know what I'm saying? Guys, I'm looking for that one, sorry. As miskien nog van hy brood dan toe.
No.
It's sold out. Guys, it's sold out, so I can support. Yeah, guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do now, so let's go check my other shop, man. Nah, fuck man, I think, guys. Guys, kyk hier, ons het gebam nou, so ons gaan nie Westeen toe kan gaan nou met die mense om hy weer uit te deel, man, sien hulle my mense, ons ken nie, want ons uitverkoop hier, so ons gaan soek nou nog 'n plek. Fight see, bro. We actually buying this for the homeless people, you see, guys, so support more, man. See, you know what I'm saying? Guys, if you just know how long we're walking now, just get like, oh fuck, guys. Sien laat my mic het ook nou geval, so asseblief man, druk hy button. Hy is die bo en hy is die onder. So kykie, julle weet ek is altyd daar bo. But anyways, guys, kykie. Thank you for support, man. The love and everything, you see, we really appreciate it. And the real thing is just what I wanted to ask you, man. Fuck, I don't even want to ask you. Like and subscribe, man. En spin erbij. Wat?